apple. Where is the apple? Apple, you show for Uma. Apple. Apple, where is the apple you show? Here, Uma, I'll open. Wait, I'm telling. Where is the apple? Get up. Where is the apple? Apple, you touch. Touch the apple. Touch the apple. Apple. Where is the apple? Apple. Where is the orange? Orange. Where is the orange? Orange, you show. Orange, you show. Which is the orange that you show? Orange. That is the orange. Yes, correct. Then where is the coconut? Coconut, you show. Coconut. Watermelon, you touch and show for Uma. That is orange. In the